Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you an USB rechargeable LED head torch or super bright, waterproof, lightweight and, of course, comfortable headlamp. Perfect for running, walking, climbing, camping, riding, hiking, for kids, for DIY things, and so many more things. And it has a battery on board and a USB cable included for reloading. The only one you have to buy separately is the AC adapter, the power supply. But every one of us at this age has a power supply from your smartphone, from your personal computer, from your laptop, notebook, tablet, etc. And this will recharge this LED waterproof headlamp too. Of course, you can use a power bank for this, and if you're at outdoor activities too. So you can see so many different options to reload this rechargeable LED head torch. Oh, and it looks nice and easy to use. Instantly improve your visibility with this hands-free bright light. Why struggle to hold a flashlight when you need both hands to perform the task at hand? How much easily would tasks, walks, or jogging at night be with free hands? And then this headlamp will come into your life. If you like to running at night, place it on your top of your head and then switch it on and you can run and you can see what is in front of you. Close-up detailed work and long-distance viewing is now easy with this device. You have two options for getting energy or getting light out of this device. There are two buttons on top. One button is for the main light. If you push it once, it is a high beam. This is really high. You can look so long. I think 100 meters, 200 meters. It is really bright. I think 200 meters is reachable. And if you push again, you can do this LED into a low beam. That means it is not so bright. And at the third thing, you can switch it off, of course. But if you touch this LED again and hold it for, I think, 3 seconds or 2 seconds, a little blue LED will go on, and then you can use your hand to wipe in front of this rechargeable LED head torch. And if you are going on the front side with your arm, the LED torch will go on automatically. And you can do this by wiping again in front of it, and then it will go off automatically. This is nice. I think this is really awesome. I like it really much. And there are another button on the top side of the device. The other button will give you a red light, and this red light you can use for warning, for emergency. And if you push this button twice, this light will flashing a little bit, and if you're pushing it at the third time, it is off. These are all the options of this nice and easy to use headlamp. But I think the killer application is the hand thing, really nice. I like it really much. So that means you don't not have to push on the button. You only have push and hold a little bit, and after this you can wipe with your hand in front of the device. This is awesome. I like it really much. And it is don't don't um, don't think it is not so bright, because you can see everything. Oh, everything in front of you. I will use it for construction, I will use it for DIY at home, because if you are crawling into edges, it is so dark there. So you have to do is have your two hands free for walking, and you need light. And this device will bring you so much light into your life. And the battery is okay, is bright, is big. So you only have to do is load it up, recharge the battery, and then start walking and start hiking and start a DIY thing or what you want. I like it really much. So that it is. Thanks for watching. There it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. This is so awesome. This wiping with your hand in front of it. I like it so much. This is a killer application in this head torch. Soon.